Today our topic nucleosome. Nucleosome. Okay, just before going to nucleosome, you should know eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. I am taking the prokaryotic cell like prokaryote. Example, you take Escherichia coli. There, the length of the DNA is about 1.3 mm. So, length size is more. That DNA can present inside the cell, double stranded circular DNA. That DNA is packed, totally packed the DNA inside the cell. So the DNA is present in a proper manner. That DNA is always associated with the proteins other than histone, non-histone proteins. So their DNA is present in the form of packed along with the proteins. Like that, when you go to eukaryote, like example, human being you take. In human being, length of the DNA is about 2.2 meters. 2.2 meters DNA can fixed in nucleus. That is present. You just observe in the nucleus. Deeply strained structures are present. That deeply strained structure is called chromatin material. So that is arranged in the form of beads, string of beads. Each bead is called nucleosome. That is called nucleosome. So the nucleosome, how it is present? In eukaryotes, mainly the DNA always associated with the histone proteins, whereas in prokaryotes, non-histone proteins. So nucleosome structure, when you observe here, 8 histone proteins are present. 2 copies of H2A, 2 copies of H2B, 2 copies of H3 and 2 copies of H4. These are 8 histone proteins. Behind this H2A, another H2A, like that. 4 plus 4, 8 histone proteins. It is called octamer. It is called octamer. Okay. This nucleosome, when you observe, this is the octamer, it is positively charged. This positively charged histone protein surrounded by DNA. DNA shows 2 circles. That octamer encircled by DNA, that is negatively charged. So here the DNA, how many helicals are there? 2 helicals. In this DNA, how many nucleotide base pairs are present? 200 base pairs. So again this DNA linked with another nucleosome, like that, always string of beads. So this DNA, the DNA which links one nucleosome to another nucleosome is called linker DNA or spacer DNA, which contain H1 histone proteins. Remember that. So it is the structure of nucleosome. Thank you.